बाकी ने तो जजमेंट अपनी दे ही दी है। तो
आपको लगता है मीडिया ट्रायल चल रहा है?
लगता मीडिया ट्रायल है।
What if the media decides someone is guilty before the court does? I am Tanushree Shah and today I just want to talk about media trial. No heavy lecture, just a real conversation like we usually do.
Imagine this. You are just scrolling your phone and suddenly you see a headline. Breaking news, he is guilty. And you are like, wait, what? The court hasn't even decided yet. But still, everyone already has an opinion. That's exactly what we call a media trial. So basically, media trial means when news channels or social media start judging a case before the court gives its final decision. Like instead of just reporting facts, they start acting like judge and jury. You must have seen this in the cases like the Sushant Singh Rajput death case, where every day there were debates, theories, accusations, almost like a TV series. Or even the Aarushi Talwar case, where media narratives kept changing and confusing everyone. Now you might ask, why does media even do this? The answer is very simple. Attention. More drama means more views, and more views bring more money. And also people are curious. We want to know what's happening. So media kind of feeds that curiosity. Sometimes a bit too much. Media trials are not always completely bad. Sometimes media pressure actually helps bring attention to cases that would have been ignored. It can push authority to act faster, and in some situations, it gives a voice to victims. So, yeah, it's not black and white. But here is where things get serious. When media declares someone guilty before the court, it can destroy that person's life. Like, imagine, even if they are later proven innocent, their reputation is already gone, right? And this is not just theoretical. We have actually seen this happen. Take the case of Rhea Chakraborty during the Sushant Singh Rajput case. For months, many media channels repeatedly portrayed her as a murderer without any court verdict.
Rhea, you have faced a volley of abuses online. आपको विश कन्या बोला गया है, gold digger, contract killer, murderer, a witch who practiced black magic, a Bengali woman who cast her spell on a Bihari boy.
It's really sad कि it's 2020 और इंडिया में अभी भी ये एक प्राइस पे करना पड़ रहा है मुझे जस्ट बिकॉज मैं उनकी लाइफ में हूँ, जस्ट बिकॉज मैं उनसे प्यार करती थी, जस्ट बिकॉज आई वाज लिविंग विद हिम.
She was constantly targeted on national television channels, followed by cameras, and harassed both online and offline. It didn't stop there. She and her family received death threats, rape threats, and extreme online abuse. Social media basically turned into a trial court of its own. But later, after investigations, the CBI didn't find evidence to prove those allegations. And here is the uncomfortable part. The same media houses that amplified accusations never really came forward with clear, loud apologies. So, what happens then? The damage is already done. A person's reputation, mental health, and dignity all take a hit that can't just be reversed.
मेरे सपने तो अब इतने कोसों दूर हैं कि मैं सिर्फ एक गहरी सांस लेना चाहती हूँ जहाँ 4-5 एजेंसीज मेरे पीछे ना पड़ी हूँ. मैं सिर्फ एक नॉर्मल दिन देखना चाहती हूँ जहाँ मैं सुबह उठ के बस नाश्ता कर सकूँ अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ और मेरे परिवार में किसी एक इंसान को एंजाइटी अटैक ना हो.
And this directly affects something very important, the right to fair trial. Because if the whole country already thinks someone is guilty, is it really a fair trial anymore? When I was thinking about this, I wondered what a real advocate would say about it.
Hi, I am Shoro Mujumdar. I am a practicing advocate at Barasat District and Judges School. So, to answer your questions, in my opinion, the line between freedom of press and media trial is crossed when media gives judgment instead of giving facts. The media has absolutely right to inform the people about the facts, not to declare someone guilty before the court does. I think very intense media coverage can impact the fairness of an investigation or a trial. It can create public pressure and even influence the people about the case before all the evidence are examined by the court. In Rhea Chakraborty's case, the media sometimes went beyond the facts. If the media shows someone as guilty before the court does, they can take legal action against the media. They can file a defamation case against the media and pray before the court to stop such reporting and protect their right to fair trial. Media is important in a democracy, but it must act responsibly. Thank you.
Honestly, I feel like media should report, not decide. Like, give us facts. Let us understand the situation. But don't turn it into a daily drama where someone is already the villain before the truth is out. There has to be a line. And right now, I think that line is getting blurred.
Anyway, that's just what I feel. But I am curious. What do you think? Do media trial really help in getting justice? Or do they just create more confusion? Be honest in the comments because it affects all of us more than we realize.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.